Hello, everyone. Welcome back to EnglishZenex, the place where learning English feels like talking to a friend. I am Emily, and I'm so happy to see you all today.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. I am James. It is great to be here with you today. How is everyone doing?
James, you always bring such good energy. I love it. Okay, before we begin, everyone, please subscribe to our channel, EnglishZenex.
Yes, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. It really helps us reach more people. Thank you so much.
Now, James, are you ready for today's topic?
I am always ready, Emily. Tell me, what are we talking about today?
Today, we are talking about one of the most common questions in English. Tell me about yourself.
Oh, a very important question. People ask this everywhere, in a job interview, in a new class, when you meet someone for the first time at a party.
Exactly. And sometimes, even though it is a simple question, it feels hard to answer, right?
Yes, I know that feeling. You freeze and you do not know where to start.
So today, we will practice together, step by step, easy and fun, like a story. Okay, James, let us start. Imagine we just met someone new. James, tell me about yourself.
Okay. Let me think like a storyteller. My name is James, J-A-E-S. It is a simple name, but I like it. I was born in a small town near the mountains in Canada. The air was clean and the sky was always full of stars. It was a beautiful place to grow up.
Oh, the mountains. That sounds so beautiful. And how old are you, James?
I am 28 years old. Still young. And you, Emily? Tell me about yourself.
Well, my name is Emily. I come from the United States, a big, busy city full of lights and people. I love city life. There is always something happening, always music in the streets, always energy in the air. And I am 25 years old.
A city girl. And I am a mountain boy. We are very different, Emily.
We are, but that makes our conversations very interesting. Now, listeners, did you follow? Name, hometown, and age. 3 easy things. You can do it too.
Now let us talk about where we live today. Emily, do you still live in that busy city?
Yes, I live in a big city. I have a small apartment on the 5th floor. From my window, I can see the whole city. At night, all the lights look like stars on the ground. It is so beautiful. I love watching the city from my window with a cup of tea.
Wow, that sounds like a dream. I live differently. I live in a small house. It has a garden with flowers and vegetables. Every morning I wake up early and drink coffee in the garden. I listen to the birds and feel the cool air. Very peaceful. Very quiet.
That sounds so relaxing. I want a garden one day. So listeners, you can describe where you live too. Say, I live in a house, or I live in an apartment. Simple. James, what do you do? What is your job?
I am a teacher, an English teacher. I love my job. Every day I meet new people and I help them speak English with confidence. It feels wonderful when a student says their first sentence in English. Their face lights up and they feel so proud. That moment makes my day.
That is so sweet, James. I am not a teacher. I am still a student. One study art, painting, drawing, and design. Art is my whole world. When I paint, I forget about everything else. Time disappears. It is just me and the colors.
An art student. Every day you create something beautiful. I respect that. See, listeners, you can say, I am a teacher. I am a student. I am a doctor. Or any job you have. Easy.
Now let us talk about family. James, tell me about your family. Paint me a picture.
My family is a small but very creative family. I have one sister. Her name is Sarah. She is younger than me. She is 24 years old. Sarah loves music. She plays the piano every single evening. When I visit her home, I sit on the sofa, close my eyes, and just listen. It feels like a private concert.
Oh, that is lovely. And your parents?
My mother is a writer. She writes stories and poems. Sometimes she reads them to us after dinner, and they are always beautiful. My father is a doctor. So in one family, we have a writer, a doctor, a musician, and a teacher. You can imagine our dinner conversations are never boring.
I can imagine. My family is also very interesting. I have one brother. His name is Tom. He is 29 years old, 4 years older than me. Tom is very funny and he always makes me laugh. Even on my worst days, he knows exactly how to cheer me up.
A funny big brother. That is the best. And your parents?
My mother is a teacher. She teaches little children. She's very patient and very kind. She has this special way of making every child feel important. And my father is a chef. He works in a restaurant, but at home, every meal he makes is like a festival. The smell fills the whole house. The taste is always perfect. I am the luckiest person in the world when he cooks.
A chef father? I am so jealous. Can I come to your house for dinner?
Of course! My father will be very happy. So listeners, talking about family is a wonderful part of telling someone about yourself. Just say, I have one sister or my mother is a teacher. Simple sentences that open big conversations.
Next, pets. Emily, do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. Her name is Luna. She's black and white like a little panda, and she sleeps almost all day long. She finds the sunniest spot in the apartment, curls up, and does not move for hours. I think Luna has the best life in the whole world.
A sleepy panda cat. I have a dog. His name is Max. He is brown and full of energy, always running, always jumping, always happy to see me. The moment I open the front door, Max comes running and his whole body is shaking with excitement. Max is my best friend.
See, a sleepy cat and an energetic dog. We really are opposite people, James.
I think so. Listeners, if you have a pet, you can mention it when you introduce yourself. People love hearing about pets. Say, I have a dog named Max. Or, I have a cat named Luna. It always makes people smile.
Nah, the most fun part. Hobbies and favorite things. James, what do you do for fun?
Oh, I have many hobbies. First, I love listening to music. Old rock music. When I listen to it, I feel like I am in another world. The guitar, the drums, the energy, I love it all. Second, I play soccer every Saturday with my friends. Running on the field, passing the ball, scoring a goal, it is so much fun. I always feel alive after a good game.
Active and musical. I love that. My hobbies are a little quieter. I paint. That is my favorite thing in the world. Every weekend I put on some soft music, open my paints, and just create. Hours pass and I do not even notice. I also love reading adventure stories, big journeys, brave heroes, exciting places. I love getting lost in a good book.
A painter and a reader. Very creative. What about movies? Do you watch movies, Emily?
Yes, I love comedy movies and animated movies. The colors, the music, the story, animated films are like paintings that move. They are beautiful to watch. What about you?
I love comedy movies too. Laughing is the best medicine. After a hard day, a funny movie makes everything better. I also love watching nature documentaries, mountains, oceans, wild animals. It makes me feel connected to the whole world.
Now, favorite food. James, what is your number one favorite food?
This is a hard question. But if I must choose, pizza. I love pizza with pepperoni. Hot, crispy, cheesy pizza fresh from the oven. The smell alone makes me happy. It is my comfort food.
Pizza is wonderful. My favorite food is pasta. A big bowl of pasta with tomato sauce and fresh vegetables. My father sometimes makes it for me on Sunday evenings, and I feel like the luckiest person alive.
Every bite is full of love. A home-cooked meal from a loving parent. Nothing better in this world. Now, favorite color.
Green, like forest, like nature, like life itself. I use a lot of green in my paintings. When I see green, I feel calm and happy. What about you?
My favorite color is blue. Deep blue, like the sky just before a storm, or like the ocean at night. It is calm and powerful at the same time. When I wear blue, I feel confident.
Now let us talk about things what we not like. This also shows your personality very well. James, what food do you not like?
Olives. I really do not like olives. The taste is too strong and too bitter for me. I always try to pick them out of salads, out of pizza, out of everything. Sorry to all the olive lovers out there.
But I like olives. See, opposites again. I do not like very spicy food. When food is too hot and spicy, my eyes start watering, my nose runs, and I cannot think clearly. I need a big glass of water and a moment to recover.
Now, what activities do you not like?
I do not like waking up early. I am not a morning person at all. When the alarm rings at 6 in the morning, my whole body says no. I need time to slowly open my eyes and wake up. Do not talk to me before 8 o'clock.
I completely understand. I do not like waiting in long lines. If the line is very long, I feel like time is stopping. I look at the line, I look at my watch, I look at the line again. I get very impatient very quickly.
Listeners, see? Talking about what you do not like is also very natural. It shows your personality, it makes you real, and it gives people something to laugh about together.
Okay, Emily. Now, let us put everything together.
Let me give a full introduction, like, I just met someone wonderful at a party.
Hello, my name is James. I am 28 years old and I come from Canada. But I live here now in a small house with a garden. I am an English teacher and I truly love my job. In my free time, I play soccer and listen to rock music. I have a brown dog named Max who is my best friend in the whole world. My favorite food is pizza and my favorite color is blue. Oh, and I really, truly, absolutely do not like olives.
Perfect! That was wonderful, James. Now me. Hi there. I am Emily. I am 25 years old and I come from the United States. I live in a big city in a small apartment with a beautiful night view. I am an art student. I love painting and reading adventure stories. I have a black and white cat named Luna who sleeps all day and lives her best life. My favorite food is pasta and my favorite color is green. And please do not wake me up before 8 in the morning.
I love that ending. See, listeners, you do not have to say everything at once. Choose 4 or 5 things that feel right for that moment. Keep it short, keep it friendly, keep it you. The most important thing is just to start talking. The rest comes naturally.
James, let us give our listeners some practical tips. In different situations, you introduce yourself in different ways, right?
Exactly. For example, at a job interview, you talk about your name, your work experience, and your skills. At a new class, you say your name and why you are learning. At a party, you say your name and something fun or interesting about yourself. The situation decides what you share.
For example, at a party, you can say, "Hi, I am Emily. I love painting and I have the laziest cat in the whole world." That sentence alone opens a conversation immediately. The other person will ask, "Oh, what do you paint?" Or, "How lazy is your cat?" And just like that, you have a new friend.
And never forget the smile. A smile says, "I am happy to meet you," before any words come out of your mouth. A warm smile is the best introduction you can give.
Beautiful advice, James. And remember, tell me about yourself is not a test. It is an invitation. It is someone saying, "I want to know your story." And everyone has a beautiful story worth sharing. Do not be afraid. Just begin.
We are coming to the end of today's episode. Emily, I feel like I learned even more about you today.
Me too. I learned that you are a mountain boy who loves pizza and blue and dogs and cannot stand olives.
That is very accurate. And I learned you are a city girl who paints, reads adventure stories, has a very sleepy cat, loves pasta, and really needs her morning sleep.
100% true. Listeners, we hope today's episode was helpful and fun for you. Remember, learning English is like making a new friend. It takes time, it takes practice, and it is completely worth it. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate every small step.
Please subscribe to EnglishZenex, like this video, and share it with one person today. Every share helps one more person learn English. That is a beautiful and powerful thing to do.
And for our question of the day, go to the comments and tell us about yourself. Write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, my name's blank. I am from blank. I love blank. We read every single comment and we love hearing from you. Your words inspire us every day.
Stay curious, keep practicing, And remember, every English sentence you speak is a step forward. You are doing great. We are proud of you.
Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye. See you in the next episode of EnglishZenex. Take care of yourself and keep smiling.